Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to enable Messenger chat hits. You need to do this on Messenger application. So tap on Messenger app, tap upon the application and then get logged in. Now once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Tap that. And there you need to tap on setting just beside it. Tap on setting. In the settings section, you need to scroll down and in the preference at the very end of the option, you will have the chat hits. Now you tap on the toggle beside it, moving it to the right side, which will be blue mark. With this, you have enabled the Messenger chat hits. A Messenger chat hit is a circle with your friend's picture, which will pop up when you get a new message on Facebook. You can view and reply to messages without leaving the screen you're on. Just tapping on the chat hit, you will be able to reply through the screen or the piece you're currently at without actually opening Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.